Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming exactly what SSD Sardine means in your context and why you need it. Once done, verify compatibility with your hardware or account. Next, prepare the essentials: accounts, payment, and a verified source to avoid scams. Make sure to back up current data before proceeding, and ensure your device has at least half battery and a stable internet connection. This prevents mid-process failures and saves time when you move to acquisition steps. You now locate a reputable seller, favor official channels or authorized resellers to reduce risk. Once you choose a source, complete purchase using a secure payment method and obtain the serial, invoice, and explicit return policy. Keep screenshots. After delivery or download, verify the SSD Sardine identification. Check model number, firmware, and any provided checksum or label for authenticity. If you're installing firmware or software, validate signatures before running installers to avoid corrupt or malicious files. You finish by performing the install exactly per vendor instructions. Make sure the interface and driver settings match the SSD Sardine requirements. Once installed, run smart health checks and a quick benchmark, then transfer a representative test file set to confirm performance and stability. If something goes wrong, reseat cables and try a different port, then update firmware and drivers. If problems persist, contact vendor support with purchase info and diagnostic logs. This speeds resolution and preserves warranty coverage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.